I get lots of requests for sweet breads these days, and I thought of doing a recipe on how to do strawberry bread rolls. For this recipe I am using 300 grams strawberries, 2 eggs, 500 grams bread flour, 100 grams sugar. You can always reduce or increase the amount of sugar in your recipes, and 7 grams instant dry yeast, 5 grams salt, 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons oil. A very simple and easy recipe, but it tastes really nice. When the fruits are in season, you can try this recipe and you will be amazed to see the results. Into a blender or a juicer, add the strawberries. Into that, break the eggs. Now puree the strawberries. After, it will look like this. Now into a mixer, add the strawberry puree, and into that add the sugar and the oil, then the salt and the flour. When you add the flour, in case if you need more, you can add more. If you feel like it's too much, you can always reduce the amount of strawberries that you are using. Mix. While mixing, add the yeast. While mixing, if you feel like it is runny, you can always add a bit more flour. Keep on kneading this dough about 15 minutes until it's smooth and pliable. So the dough is ready. Now I'm going to take it out and leave it in a warm place until it doubles in size. This is a very sticky dough. Slowly take it out from the hook. The temperature where I live is very cold at this time, so I'm going to take it out and put it in my multi-cooker where I can make the dough rise. So I'm going to put it in there. When the dough is double in size, put some flour onto the bench and put some flour onto the dough. Press down and take it onto the bench. Put a bit more flour, press down, cut into equal size pieces. So I'm going to cut this into 8. After, take one piece and roll it and leave it on the bench. After, put a bit more flour, press, and using a rolling pin, roll the dough to a rectangular shape. Like this. And after, roll the dough like this. And then press again and roll. Now roll the dough to a shape like this, and then take the end and tuck it underneath like this. And after, put it on a baking tray like this. Now let's do the next one. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough to a rectangular shape, then roll and then press and then roll again. Then roll from one end to the other. And tuck the end underneath and leave it next to each other like this. After making them, put it in a warm place again to double in size. So the bread rolls are ready to go to the oven. 200 Celsius in a normal oven or 180 Celsius in a fan forced oven, about 30 to 40 minutes, so until golden brown. The strawberry bread is ready, and this is how it is. Let's take it out. It's a really soft and moist spongy bread. If I open to show you, beautiful soft spongy bread that you can make with fresh fruit. Serve this with some strawberry jam on the side and hope you will enjoy. See you next time.